Hey, hello everyone. I'm Dr. Santosh Chajed. I'm from PhD Pharmaceutical Sciences. I'm happy to share one of the invention carried out by our own scientists in Nagpur-based National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, India. So, the scientist has developed very simple method for diagnosis of COVID-19, that is saline gargle method followed by RT-PCR for diagnosis of COVID-19. So, whatever methods available till date, we know that nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swab method is available for diagnosis of COVID-19, but these methods are not patient friendly. They are invasive. It requires a technical or expertise for collecting the sample. So what method has been developed or innovated? No expertise, no technical person is required for the collection of a sample. Of course, after the collection of a sample by patient himself, patient has to take that sample to the laboratory for RT-PCR, and that's why this method has been considered as a most faster method, simple method, cost-effective method, environmental friendly method, and most important, this is comfortable method for patients for collecting the sample. Saline gargle method is very simple, it's cost-effective, patient-friendly, and it is very comfortable for the patient as it involves non-invasive method. It is well suited for rural and tribal areas where infrastructure facility may be the constraint. So we all know swab collection method is uncomfortable for the patient and it requires lots of time, it requires expertise, it requires a trained personnel for collection of a sample. But saline gargle RT-PCR method is instant, comfortable and patient friendly. Sampling is done instantly and results will be generated within the 3 hours. We all know that nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swab collection require technical expertise, and saline gargle method, it is non-invasive and so simple that patient can themselves collect sample. This is the advantage of the method. So I will throw light on the invention. Here saline gargle RT-PCR method is used, and it consists of use of collection tube that will be filled with saline solution. Patient will gargle the solution and rinse it inside the tube. Sample in collection tube is taken into the laboratory and will be kept in a specialized buffer developed, and then RNA template which will be produced when this sample is heated, which is further processed for RT-PCR. As I already made mention, people can test themselves since the method is since method allows self sampling. You won't require any technical personnel in this case for the collection of a sample. The method is environmental friendly since waste generated is minimal, and this will be a great advantage for rural and tribal areas where infrastructure requirement can be a constraint. The status of this particular invention, this technique has been approved by Indian Council of Medical Research, and NIRI has been further asked to train other testing labs to help scale up its adoption across the country. So that's how this is the most simple method available for testing. This can be a great invention as it involves the very simple, non-invasive and patient-friendly as well as the environment-friendly method of sample collection in the diagnosis of COVID-19. Of course, it will reduce the time required for that is involved in the currently available methods. So this is a great invention by our own Indian scientists. We hope that this will be taken up at large scale, and soon we may see that this method will be available for routine diagnosis of COVID-19. Thank you.